Well, here we are in Da Nang, Vietnam, where our adventure gets started at the Dillon Hotel.
Yeah, we are staying here for a couple of days until we find an apartment.
The plan's to stay here in Da Nang for 1 to 2 months before moving on to our next destination. So this is the Dillon Hotel, and it actually wasn't too bad of a hotel. I was a little bit nervous when I first booked it because it was only $11 a night, so I only booked it for 2 days. But we ended up being very close to the ocean, had a pool on the roof, and overall the hotel wasn't that bad either. It wasn't quite as good as the professional pictures that they posted online, but it wasn't too far off. It had this pretty nice covered area up near the roof that you could look out over the city. And just inside there was a bar set up, but we never saw anybody tending the bar or any other people up here. Well, since I have the drone out, let's fly up and over to the beach. We really like being this close. We're able to walk over to the beach in just about 5 or 10 minutes. I don't get great signal through all these tall buildings between me and the drone when it's over the beach, but we'll go for a little ride. Well, my radio signal is getting weak. I better turn back around. Here you can get a pretty good idea for just how big this town actually is. Well, now let's see if I can figure out where to land this thing. Well, that looks like the Dillon Hotel right there. So here's the Dillon Hotel, and here's where the new apartment building is that we ended up moving into. Well, let's see if we can find our room and see if Elvia is out on the balcony. There she is. Wave hi to everybody, Elvia. Well, I think it's time to set this bird down. So we have decided to put down some temporary roots here in Vietnam. We've got a visa for 3 months. We just came from Ho Chi Minh City. We spent about 10 days there, and now we're in a city called Da Nang, I think is how you say it. And we found this area that we really like. It's got a lot of little restaurants and things next to us. The beach is very close. And we're actually going to be moving from the hotel we're in now over to this one behind me. Right behind me here, this gray building. You can see the pool there. We are going to settle into the beach life. $60,000. We get the mango smoothies. Go ahead, grab it. Go ahead, grab it. So this is actually the walk from our old hotel, the Dillon Hotel, to our new apartment building. It's just about 3 or 4 buildings down the street. Well, let's go up and see the room. And one other great thing about this area is they sell these things. It's like a dehydrated mango, and they are excellent. I buy these giant bags like this. This is like a half a kilo. So I buy a kilo at a time for about $7. And honestly, if I didn't control myself, I could probably eat the whole kilo in one day. But I make it last about 4 or 5 days or so. Elvia eats most of them though. They're great. If I end up moving to Vietnam full time, it'll be because of these. Like fruit beef jerky. Mm. Mm-mm. So actually finding and renting the apartment wasn't as easy as we thought it was going to be. Spent a lot of time going through online listings, and we even took one day and walked around and looked at phone numbers on buildings and called those, and couldn't talk to anybody because nobody here speaks English that well, and we don't speak Vietnamese at all. So the call goes something like, hello, what's that? And then we message on WhatsApp. So we went and looked at a few places, and then we ended up finding this one that was just down the street from us, which really made us happy because we really like this area. So what does an apartment 1 block from the beach in Da Nang cost every month? This one is a studio with a queen bed and got a pool on the roof. It's got a gym, but it's nothing to be too proud of. But there is a treadmill in there, stair climber kind of machine, and some dumbbells. It's got a nice pool on the roof, you'll see in a few minutes, and that costs, with all of the expenses and room cleaning once a week, it's about $400 every month, so not too bad. That includes the water and electric, internet, all of those things. So there's not a lot to show you in the room, you saw that already. Let's go ahead and look at the pool.